Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. I got Jeff Sylvester's short shifter installed and all bolted in, cables attached. And I'm gonna roll through the gears for you guys. Hope you can see this clearly. It's a bit dark in the garage, so I got some lighting inside the car. And let's go through the gears. So here's neutral. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. So everything engages really nicely, very nice and crisp, and really short, precise throws. And it's amazing. You get used to your sloppy 30-plus-year-old shifter, and then you go through and install something like this, and it's like a whole different experience, a different car. So hope this helps. Hope you like it. And again, I'll just go through those gears again for you guys. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. So, and hope you like it. And you may see some different brackets in here that I made. I made some aluminum brackets for the center console to replace the stamped steel ones. I did that yesterday. I guess I was a little bit bored, and they turned out pretty nice actually. So anyway, just making some good progress on the GTX, and some more to come. Take care.